Really, our first priority through all of this has been to make sure that our students are safe, to make sure that they know that we're here to support them, and we leverage the program here in the college as well as through the university to provide that support mechanism that they need so that they can hopefully return back to campus and continue their academic programming. And if they need to take some time away from the campus to help their families and their communities, we provide the flexibility that they're able to do that. And then once our students come back to campus, once we have a better idea of what those direct needs are, then we'll move into the phase and we start to think about our service-ship programs and our volunteerism as a college, and really letting that be led through our students.